Capstone 4. Land use and freshwater resources. Climate change has had an effect on the entire world at various levels. This includes the use of land and the available freshwater resources. The changes in the climate have an adverse effect on both these resources. In the instance of land use, the resource is threatened by changes in land cover, as well as the changes in the terrestrial biogeochemistry. Freshwater resources are adversely affected by drought, which is the consequence of the reduction of groundwater as well as renewable surface water. The latter is particularly subject to the changes in the hydrological cycle due to climate change. The result is often a loss of stream quality and changes in the flow of streams. This is especially observable in areas where climate change has changed snowfall patterns. The Colorado River system has been adversely affected by the recent drought, lack of rain, and the lack of snowpack. Major cities such as Los Angeles, Las Vegas, Phoenix, and Denver have suffered as the river supplies them with water. Even though there might be an increase in rainfall, the water quality might be affected by it. This would have an effect on agriculture, the ecosystems, as well as human health. Apart from the changes in the terrestrial biogeochemistry, the changes in the land cover is also known as terrestrial ecosystems that can be changed due to climate change. Changes that occur in the water cycle, changes in temperature, and other physical disturbances, such as floods, wildfire, and drought, can affect the terrestrial ecosystem and the terrestrial biogeochemistry of an area. Hibbard ascribes these changes to climate forces, or radioactive forcing. According to Pataki, one way to rectify this is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Their reference is in particular to the urban green space, even though there is not much data to prove that this is a solution to the problem. They do propose urban sustainability through eco-services, such as a solution to pollution and other environmental problems. The city of Los Angeles is a city that is faced with several substantial issues, which include drought, poor water quality, and other issues. The issues of climate change here, freshwater resources, as well as land cover and terrestrial biogeochemistry, is affected by, in the first instance, changes in the hydrological cycle, and in the second instance, the land atmospheric interactions.